Why is my Discord mobile microphone not working, and how do I fix it?
Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to address a common issue that many Discord mobile users encounter, the microphone not working. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and fixing this issue step by step.
Why isn't my Discord mobile microphone working?
Several factors can cause your Discord mobile microphone to malfunction. The most common ones are 1. Incorrect Discord settings. If the app's settings aren't configured correctly, it might not access your microphone. 2. Insufficient permissions. Discord needs permission to access your mobile microphone. 3. Technical issues with the device. There might be issues with your device's microphone or operating system. 4. Outdated Discord app. Sometimes, bugs in an outdated Discord version can cause the microphone to stop working.
How do I check my Discord settings?
Firstly, let's verify that Discord is set up to use your microphone. Follow these steps. 1. Open Discord and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. 2. Tap on Voice and Video under the App Settings section. 3. Under the Input Mode section, ensure that the Voice Activity option is selected. 4. Under the Voice Processing section, consider turning off Noise Suppression, as it sometimes interferes with mic functionality.
How do I ensure Discord has necessary permissions?
For Discord to access your mobile microphone, it needs to have the right permissions. Here is how to check. On Android, 1. Go to your settings. 2. Tap on Apps and Notifications. 3. Locate Discord and tap on it. 4. Tap on Permissions. 5. Ensure that the toggle for microphone is turned on. On iOS, 1. Go to Settings. 2. Scroll down and tap on Discord. 3. Ensure that the toggle for microphone is turned on.
How do I check for device or OS issues?
If the issue persists after checking the Discord settings and permissions, it might be due to your device or its OS. Try the following. 1. Test your device's microphone with other apps to ensure it's working. 2. Restart your device. This can often solve temporary glitches. 3. Update your device's OS. Sometimes, older OS versions may cause apps to malfunction.
How do I update my Discord app?
Lastly, make sure your Discord app is up to date. Here's how. On Android, 1. Open Google Play Store. 2. Tap on the 3 lines on the top left corner and select My Apps and Games. 3. Find Discord and tap Update if available. On iOS, 1. Open App Store. 2. Tap on your profile icon at the top right. 3. Scroll down to find Discord and tap Update if available. We hope this guide has helped you fix the microphone issue on your Discord mobile app. Remember, if none of these steps work, it might be a Discord server issue or your device might require professional attention. Happy chatting!